What's up guys, Andrew here with another video. This one is the unboxing of the Thronmax Mdrill 0. We're gonna go around the box. I definitely wanted to answer some questions right up front, which I'm sure you're gonna ask in the comments. Is it compatible with PlayStation 4? Yes, it is. Can you add it on a boom arm? Yes, you can. I currently use a PSA 1 boom arm, and I did test it on the boom arm and it works just fine. So now that we got that out of the way, I didn't want to forget that. Let's get to the box. Vertigain technology, 2 recording patterns, USB Type-C connection. So let's go around the box here. Okay, so for patterns, we have cardioid for streaming, podcasts, voiceovers, and instruments. And then you have omnidirectional, conference call, events. So over here, let me show you guys this, where it talks about some of the things that's going on with this thing here. Mdrill 0 is the only digital microphone featuring breakthrough Vertigain technology. Patent pending Vertigain technology increases recording and streaming performance 10% more clarity than other digital microphones. Okay, so that's what it says there. 2 dedicated recording modes for multiple applications. Let's turn around here. Now over here it shows you the application that it works great with, which includes Skype, Twitch, Audacity, SoundCloud, OBS, YouTube, XSplit, and Discord. Those are the things there. Let's see if we missed anything. Type-C recording, which we mentioned at the very top. Okay, so that's what you have there. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's see what we got first. Let's do the instructions. Okay, so we have angled USB Type-C cable, braided, it looks like. Okay, put that to the side. Instructions in the box. Okay. What else we got? We got some stickers. Okay. Shout out to Thronmax for sending this over. Appreciate that. Okay, so let's see what we got. And let's move this out of the way. Okay, so there you have it right here. So now let me just get close here. So you have the 2 recording patterns. Okay, so you have cardioid on the left side. You have the mute at 12 o'clock. And you have the omnidirectional on the right side. This control here is for the volume for the desktop, and this is the volume for the microphone. Okay, so that's how that's set up. So let's kind of move it around a little bit. Let's see what we got there, like that. Okay, so on the bottom of the unit, you have the USB Type-C and the aux 3.5 millimeter jack. Okay, so you have that. Now, as I mentioned at the very top, can you mount it on those arms? So this piece actually comes off. Okay, so we're gonna take it off. And try not to drop it as we do this. Okay, so that comes off. Okay, and I have the screw and my boom arm that you put in here to make it fit. Right, so if you wanted to hang it upside down, that kind of a thing, you can do that. Okay, so that's what's going on with that. And essentially that's it. See if I can get this back on without dropping anything. Oh, it's not going back on. There it is. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put that back on. Logo in the back, Thronmax. It has a metal sound when you do that. Hopefully you can hear that. Capsule's cool. This top piece here feels like plastic, but that's definitely metal. Some kind of metal. Okay, now also these screws loosen up and you can actually take this out all the way on both sides. Okay. And just place this right here. Do that. And there you have it. The Thronmax Mdrill 0 unboxing. Alright guys, as you can see, I currently have the mic on the boom arm. I want to show you the LED features on this particular microphone. Let's see if we can get that here. So right now it's on mute. Red is mute. When you start turning it towards the cardioid pattern, it turns blue. And then let's go back to mute here, which is 12 o'clock. Now it's red again. But when you go omnidirectional, it turns green. And let's go back to mute. And it's mute again. See if we can get a... See if I do too much focus there. As you can see, the mic is actually on a boom arm. So you can do that. So let's just go up here. So this screw here, that came with my ATR 2100. So I was able to just take that screw out, put it on here, and put it on this particular device. And there you have it. So it does look really, really nice on a boom arm. If you're considering doing that in the future, definitely check that out. All right, guys, this is the sound of the mic with the cardioid pattern enabled. So this is what you're hearing right now. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of The Show Radio. This is episode 510 of The Show Radio. I am your host, Andrew, and this is your source for tech, gaming, and entertainment news. Head over to theshowradio.info. Once again, that's theshowradio.info. And check out our past shows. While you're there, subscribe and tell a friend about the show. So this is the cardioid pattern of the microphone. All right, guys, this is the omnidirectional test for this microphone, the Mdrill 0. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of The Show Radio. This is episode 510 of the show. I am your host, Andrew, and this is your source for tech, gaming, and entertainment news. Head over to theshowradio.info. Once again, that's theshowradio.info. And check out our past shows. While you're there, subscribe and tell a friend about the show. The show is on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Spotify, all the places that you can find podcasts. You can find us there. This is a test of the omnidirectional for the microphone. Hey, what's up, guys? We're back on the cardioid pattern for the microphone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, tell a friend, leave comments below on what you thought about this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.